A bingo game cannot reliably verify a cash prize or process a real money withdrawal while your device is completely offline, so any app claiming it can pay real money with no internet connection deserves extra scrutiny. For 2026, the useful distinction is between offline bingo gameplay and real money bingo yodari. You may be able to play some bingo games without Wi-Fi, but a real cash out normally requires an internet connection to communicate with the game's servers and payment provider. Number 5 is Ain Bingo Tour. It offers bingo gameplay and cash prize competitions in eligible locations, but real money features require a connection to the service. If you lose Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, if your plan allows it rather than assuming the game can process a payout offline. Number 4 is Ain Blackout Bingo. It offers free gameplay and cash competitions where available. Because cash games depend on online services, you should expect an internet connection to be required for real money features, including account and withdrawal functions. Number 3 is Bingo Cash.it. The game offers cash competitions in eligible locations and provides a withdrawal system. Offline access can be useful for entertainment or practice if the app supports it. But that does not mean winnings can be verified or withdrawn without connecting to the platform. Number 2 is an offline-capable bingo game that clearly separates practice from cash gameplay. This can be useful if you want to play while traveling or in an area with poor service, but treat the offline mode as entertainment rather than a way to generate withdrawable cash. Number 1 is the game that provides the strongest combination of legitimate cash gameplay and flexible connectivity. If the app works over both Wi-Fi and mobile data, you can still access online cash features when Wi-Fi is unavailable. There are 3 things to check before playing. First, check whether the game actually supports offline gameplay. Some apps require an internet connection even to launch certain modes. Second, separate offline playing from EJ cash playing. An offline game can keep you entertained without being capable of recording a cash tournament result. Third, check the withdrawal requirements before depositing. Cashouts generally require communication between your account, the game server, and the payment system. Also avoid any app promising guaranteed real money payouts while completely offline. A legitimate cash prize needs to be recorded and verified by the platform. The main takeaway is simple. Offline bingo is possible for some gameplay, but real money competitions and withdrawals depend on online connectivity. Wi-Fi is not always required if mobile data works, but some form of internet access is normally necessary for cash features. Your practical next step is to check the app's official connection requirements before downloading or depositing. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.